Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Time to jump back onto the flip car. I normally get time either between coatings, paint protection film jobs, early evenings or weekends. Have a little bit of time on my hands, so let's get back to work. We have the interior to finish next. Let's get to it.
I'm going to just kind of wipe this down and prep it.
Okay.
You can see it was re-dyed before.
Oh yeah, look at it coming up on your...
And all these scratches have to be filled in.
So from there, then it's just a fill and then...
Be filled in and re-dyed.
Yeah. All right, thank you very much. And that will take care of the second row of seats. Third row is in excellent shape. They just need to be cleaned up a bit. Now all of the leather has been repaired and re-dyed and looking fantastic. Again, a little bit out of order, out of sequence compared to the way we normally do things, but we just squeeze things in when we can with a tight schedule. The vehicle would be good to go immediately. You could use it right away, but I'll let it sit overnight, and then before I use it, I'm going to protect it. My go-to would be Gyeon Shield or Protect All. We have many others we use as well, and we rely on, and do a very good job, but those are two of my favorites. So let's use the coating, for example. Modern leather has a top coat, normally from factory. So these protectants and coatings, they go on a little bit glossy, but don't panic. They will cure looking, feeling, and smelling natural. I'm going to apply 2 layers of this coating, thick and heavy. I want to lock in the excellent repair work that was just done and try to avoid any type of transfer. If you take your time, apply evenly. You don't have to worry about taking a microfiber and following up. But you can. You can use a microfiber and just lightly go over the areas and pick up any high spots. For the most part, these coatings, they self-level and they dry looking level and natural. When it comes to these type of perforated leather seats, this is the only type of protectant where I will lay on thick and heavy. It will not clog the pores. Avoid any type of conditioner. Really, guys, it sits on top of the top coat and just waits there to be transferred back onto yours or anybody's clothing. When you enter or exit the vehicle, it serves no purpose whatsoever. It cannot penetrate the top coat and condition and take care of that leather unless it's a natural leather like the King Ranch leather found in the Ford pickups. Another type of cleaner protectant, it's really an all-in-one, is Protect All. This is an all-surface care, excellent for leather and plastics. This is great on its own, has UVA, UVB block, but a great topper for interior coatings and for maintenance as well. I do have a video that needs to be edited and uploaded on Protect All, a dedicated video, and it deserves one. Being able to care for fiberglass paint, clear coat, glass, chrome, and I know I'm missing more surfaces that this will clean and protect. But I will get that uploaded at some point and we'll be able to give it the time it deserves. A great product. By the way, this cures looking and feeling natural as well. I don't like anything glossy at all in interiors. I like the natural, or at most on some plastics, I'll go with a satin look. But it has to look and feel natural. I don't like any type of artificial scents or odors in the interior as well. And that's it. We pretty much have all the seats taken care of. The front row, passenger, second row. The third row is out. That is cleaned. I just have to put it back in. But before we do, we're going to clean that area. We have enough time today. We're going to get back there, clean those areas. The rug needs to be vacuumed, shampooed. I can show you some new products that I've been toying with and really enjoying. And we can protect these areas as well before I throw that third row back in. Light dirt and staining on the carpeting, not quite as bad as the first vehicle that we flipped for this series, but still needs to be freshened up. And these areas drive me absolutely crazy. You name it, it's in there. We're going to break that up and get it out. Let's get to it. The first thing we want to do is give it a thorough vac. For most of the interior, I've been using a product that has just been recently released. That is Phoenix E.O.D. Kraken. Release the Kraken.
Release the Kraken!
Yes, Liam, release the Kraken. I have one bottle at full strength, one diluted 5-to-1. And we're just going to pre-treat. We'll pre-treat the carpet, and then we'll just use it straight up in the worst areas, 5-to-1 in lightly soiled areas, or as maintenance. This product can be used just about on every surface you can think of, inside or out. And what's great is he has a dilution ratio chart ready to go. Whether it's a 16 ounce, 32 ounce, 1 gallon, or 5 gallon container, he has a chart which will break it down anywhere from 1-to-1 all the way up to 128-to-1 and in between. For carpeting, I'll let the product as a pre-treat soak into the carpet fibers, bring in the drill brush, get to work, and mop up with a microfiber. As you can see by that towel, it pulls up a lot of muck. I then follow those two steps up with another thorough vac, and we're normally good to go. Some of the worst areas on the really neglected vehicles, you may need to follow up once or twice, but this did the trick. Satisfying to get these areas clean, as they're the most common landing spot for Jolly Rogers, Tootsie Rolls, bubblegum wrappers, you name it. Down in the comments section, let us know, what is the most difficult thing to remove from carpets? Is it going to be lipstick, bubblegum, melted starburst? Let us know some of the just god-awful things that can attach to a carpet and how you remove them. All right, finished with the carpet. We're going to take care of the textured plastic. We'll team up the Kraken with the Star Scrubber, and that will be diluted 5-to-1, and we'll follow that up, and we'll grab our Protect All once again and condition and protect the plastics. And that will do it. She's looking good, guys. She really is. I'm really starting to like the way it looks inside anyways. The only thing that the Kraken had a trouble with are these tannin stains or rust stains. And I do have a product dedicated for that. They are hardcore and they need to be flushed. But yeah, this thing is looking good. I'll tell you, for a vehicle from the late 2000s, it does have some sexy lines to it. If it wouldn't be for that god-awful gas mileage, this thing would fly out of the parking lot fast. In the next video, I'll show you how we're going to tackle these seatbelt straps, how to relax the fibers to clean them, and we'll tackle the headliner. And then we'll soon jump to the outside and get some of the corrections started, and we'll show you what we protect it with. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Leave them in the comments section, and I will catch you guys in the next video.